Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, January 10th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and SPY. So basically, we spent the whole day just taking back yesterday's trend day until we finally popped pretty decent in M period on a price probe to get into value from yesterday. My value ends totally lower on the day. Triple Qs, we all probed late in the day. Q's end only 8 wide, afternoon pullback in F, and the day's high and low. Russell, on the other hand, Russell was the big winner of the day. Not only do they go out with a double distribution day to the upside, they have an outside day up. They took out yesterday's low in A period, take out yesterday's high in J, and close above it. So that's positive. Outside day up with a double distribution day up. As far as ES and SPY, we end up only 7 wide, as we can't get back down to get 8 or 9 to get 9 wide. I'm using F as an afternoon pullback, and we have the probe. I'm using K's high. I want, just like I don't use L anymore for pullback or rally high. For me, a price probe has to be 50 cents or more. We came close. It was like 40 something cents, but I'm trying to, stay. Now, I won't ignore K's high tomorrow. Okay? Obviously, if we open above K's high, that's very positive. You'll be opening with higher value, and you'll be opening above the base of the price probe. But it's not enough of a probe for me to say, okay, this is a line in the sand for me, kind of like A's low was from yesterday. We got good distance away from A's low and went trend. I said I would short against A's low until something changed. And I did that all morning. I had a good morning. I actually did it, believe it or not, in G, H, and I, and made money. Right? Only 1 lot. I lost on a short in K, but got that all back and more in L. And then I didn't do anything in M. So even though the market one time framed up a good part of the afternoon until K stopped it, I was just more comfortable on the short side. And then I just watched M. And I had no problem doing that. Like I said, I had a 6 lot short in A against basically A's low from yesterday, which was the where change took place and where the single print started. I shorted them all. B period, 2 lots. C period, 4 lots. Then because we were one time framing up, I went smaller in G, H, and I. Only did a 1 lot each time for a couple of points. But these things add up. I did 18 mini contracts today. Okay? I lost on 3 of them, a little over a point. I made on 15 of them. No, I'm sorry. I made on 18, lost on 3. I did 21 total. On 10 of those lots, I probably made 2 points each. That's, again, that's on, 100 times 10 is $1,000. And then on the other 8, I made anywhere between 2 and 4 points. So overall, a very good day, even though I'm only taking a lot of times on, 2 points, 3 to 4 points, things of that nature. It goes to show you, I want to be better at holding, but I still did very well the way I traded it today. We're in a 3-day balance on the daily. The weekly is still up to me. We have CPI on Thursday. We have Canadian CPI tomorrow. Whether that's important or not, I have no idea. I don't think it would be. But for now, we're in a 3-day balance. We had trouble getting over the 50. We stayed above the 20. But for now, we closed above the 50. Again, one day doesn't make a market. So yesterday we closed below it. Today we closed above it. We'll see what transpires. I think more importantly, where we are by the end of this week. As far as destinations go, today's high in SPY, which I did not write down, is 393.70. It looks like, right? Oh, this should. I'm sorry, not 393.70. Oh my goodness, I'm looking at the weekly today. 390.65. I'm sorry. 390.65 is the daily high today in SPY. And then above that, we don't have anything until 393.70. Price vacuum. On the downside, again, I'm not using K's high, but I won't ignore it tomorrow. So the afternoon pullback low today, all the way in F at 387.19. And then today's low of 386.27. And we held single prints from Friday. We held the 1 set of that triple distribution day. In ES, 42 is the high, and then 73.25 is the next high. For the downside, we have today's afternoon pullback of 06.50 and today's low of 97.25. And then we have the other single prints that we talked about from the other day. And then, just quickly on the charts, monthly is balanced. I'm not going to even show you that. Thank you again for liking and subscribing to this channel. Again, I think we provide a lot of value in this room for only $30 a month. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. The weekly is up to me after 2 days, all right? One time framing up. And the daily is back in a 3-day balance, basically. Some people might only call this a 2-day balance. In other words, if we take out today's low, they would go back down. Again, it's all subjective. For me right now, I'd probably call it a 3-day balance. We'll see how tomorrow plays out. For now, we're above the 20 and the 50. So again, it's going to be real interesting what transpires with these two moving averages. Do they disconnect to new lows again? Or do we have a little bit of a change in 23 and this time we get back above it prior to making a new low from the year? Hope you had a good day trading. Enjoy your evening. And we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.